Welcome back to Phone Rescue Experts, where no iPhone problem stands a chance. In today's exciting video, we've got an iPhone 11 with zero Wi-Fi connection and an NA serial number. Sounds scary? Don't worry. We'll show you exactly how we fix this without replacing any ICs. Let's jump straight into it. So this iPhone 11 arrived at our lab with a common yet frustrating problem. Wi-Fi wasn't working at all, and the serial number was showing as NA. Typically, this means there's an issue in communication between the CPU and the Wi-Fi IC. But before we go replacing any components, let's do the basics first. First things first. I carefully removed the logic board and placed it directly onto the board separator. Added a generous amount of high-quality flux to the edges, then allowed it to heat up gently for about 1 minute. Once adequately heated, I carefully separated the sandwich board. It's crucial at this point to visually inspect the inner layers for any missing or damaged prints. Thankfully, in our case, all the prints were perfectly fine. Next, I cleaned off all the old thermal paste from the middle of the board, along with the old flux from both layers. Cleanliness and accuracy at this stage are essential. After thorough cleaning, I carefully checked both board layers to ensure they weren't curved or warped. If the boards aren't perfectly flat, the connection won't be reliable. With everything clean and flat, I applied fresh flux, aligned the boards precisely, and carefully pressed them back together. And now for the best part, moment of truth. I powered it up, and voila! The Wi-Fi was back online, and the serial number was visible again. No components replaced, just a solid, clean reconnection between the board layers. So here's a critical takeaway. Always check basic board connections first before diving into complex IC replacements. Often, simple communication issues between boards can cause these major symptoms. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something or enjoyed this repair journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video with friends who love tech fixes. We're Phone Rescue Experts, and we've got plenty more exciting lab fixes on the way. See you in the next one.